An autograph.
No, he's acting really stupid. Yeah, he's acting really stupid right now. He keeps cutting himself. Here, hold on a second. Alright. Yeah, this is Michael trying to act stupid and actually try to use my butterfly knife when he doesn't know what he's doing. I hope y'all enjoy this as much as I'm enjoying it.
No, you saw that one, didn't you? That one.
Alright, hey.
Are you ready?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you at all.
Oh, still going.
You're supposed to be cutting yourself, Michael.
Shut up. Dang it, the thing got caught. You ready? Wait, for the windmill you're supposed to do the lawn bite side? Okay.
Let me see it a second and I'll show you. Give me this stupid knife before you cut yourself again.
You videotape you doing it?
No? Yeah, watch.
Oh, I see.
Good for you. What? Oh, nothing.
Like this and go.
Yeah, this is Michael trying to do the windmill, and he's not doing such a good job at it. I'm ready to post this on Facebook. No, you won't. You look great without it. Alright, you look fine without it.
I know I did.
Shut up, Michael. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Alexis. Yeah, I have. I don't remember, but I have. No, I have. I just don't remember when. Michael, cut yourself. God.